Making some good progress on this little forestry mulching job today. About to take a lunch break. And after lunch, I'm gonna finish all of that over there.